How to add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. First, open the Instagram application on your device and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to post an Instagram Reel. So for that, tap on the plus icon and then head over to the Reel section. Now you can add whichever video that you want from your gallery. Tap on Add to add the video. Now here you want to tap on Next. Now this is the current thumbnail. If you want to change this, tap on the Edit Cover option. And from here, you can choose whichever frame that you want from your video. If you don't want the thumbnail from the video itself, you can tap on Add from Device. Here, pick the photo that you want to add as thumbnail. And once you have done that, you can tap on the Done option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on Share. And now the Instagram Reel will be posted in your profile. Just refresh your profile. And here you can see that the thumbnail is right there. So this is how you can add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.